कि which language was recognized as the only official language of Sri Lanka in 1956. ठीक है, 1956 का बात किया गया है और आंसर इज सिन्हाला. ओके, अब नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन की ओर हम लोग मूव करते हैं. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है कि apart from the central and the state governments, which is the third type of government practiced in Belgium? Answer is community government. Okay, community government is the answer. Question number जो थर्ड हमारे पास है, define majoritism. Answer is majoritism is ruled by majority community by disregarding the needs and wishes of the minority community. Fourth question है, what measure was adopted by the democratically elected government of Sri Lanka to establish Sinhala supremacy? Answer is, in 1956 an act was passed to make Sinhala the official language. एक एक्ट पास किया गया था. अगला है कि the government followed preferential policies favoring Sinhala applicant of for university position and government jobs के लिए. क्वेश्चन नंबर जो 5 है, what is the language spoken by the people residing in the Wallonia region of Belgium? Answer is, people residing in the Wallonia region of speaking French. Number 6 है, what is meant by the system of checks and balances? Answer is, the horizontal distribution of power ensure that power is shared among different organs of government, the legislatures, executive and judiciary. It allows different organs of government placed at the same level to exercise different powers. The horizontal distribution of power is also called the system of checks and balances. This system ensures that none of these organs can exercise unlimited power. Each organ checks the others. 7 number question है, after independence Sri Lanka witnessed the supremacy of which community? Answer is, Sri Lanka emerged as an independent country in 1948 and the democratically elected government adopted a series of measures to establish Sinhala supremacy. क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 जो है, डिफाइन द टर्म एथनिक और आंसर है, एथनिक मीन्स अ सोशल डिवीजन बेस्ड ऑन शेयर कल्चर एंड कॉमन डिसेंट्स. पीपल बिलोंगिंग टू एन एथनिक ग्रुप नीड नॉट हैव द सेम रिलीजन और नेशनलिटी. अगले क्वेश्चन के मूव करते हैं, व्हाट इज वर्टिकल डिवीजन ऑफ पावर? आंसर इज, व्हेन पावर इज शेयर्ड अमॉन्ग डिफरेंट गवर्नमेंट एट different levels, the union or central government, the state government and the municipality or panchayat are the lower level. The division of power involving higher and lower levels of government is called the vertical division of power. अब नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है जो हमारे पास है, शॉर्ट आंसर क्वेश्चन है, 3 मार्क्स के जो आते हैं एग्जाम्स में. कंपेयर द डिफरेंट वेज इन विच द Belgians and Sri Lankans have dealt with the problems of कल्चरल डाइवर्सिटी. अब इसमें आंसर होगा कि बोथ बेल्जियम एंड श्रीलंका आर डेमोक्रेसीज येट दे हैव डील्ड विद द प्रॉब्लम्स ऑफ कल्चरल डाइवर्सिटी बट डिफरेंटली. अब बेल्जियम में किस तरह किए थे, 3 ऑप्शंस दिए गए, 3 टोटल हमारे पास पॉइंट दिए गए. लीडर्स रियलाइज दैट फॉर द यूनिटी ऑफ द कंट्री इट इज इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर टू रिस्पेक्ट द फीलिंग्स एंड इंटरेस्ट ऑफ डिफरेंट कम्युनिटीज. द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन प्रिस्क्राइब that the number of Dutch and French speaking people shall be equal in different government. दूसरा नंबर पे देखते हैं इसमें कि both Dutch and French communities share power on an equal basis at the center, along with the government, which decides on cultural education and language related issues. Third number है, between 1970 and 1993, the constitution was amended 4 times to enable all linguistic groups to live together within the same country. अगर ये श्रीलंका का बात करें तो श्रीलंका में क्या है कि इन श्रीलंका there are 2 major communities. सिन्हालीज स्पीकिंग 74% थे और तमिल जो थे भारत वाले थे 18%. द मेजोरिटी कम्युनिटीज द सिन्हाला हैव फोर्स देयर डोमिनेशन ओवर तमिल्स रिफ्यूजिंग टू शेयर पावर. अगला है बोथ कम्युनिटीज 2 नंबर में है बच्चों has lived in tension as the Sinhalese have denied political, educational, religious and employment इकोनॉमिक राइट टू द तमिल लीडिंग सिविल वार स्टार्ट होता है यहाँ से. ठीक है, तो इनको नहीं दिया गया था. 3 नंबर इन 1956 द गवर्नमेंट पास्ड एन एक्ट टू रिकॉग्नाइज सिन्हाला एज द ओनली ऑफिशियल लैंग्वेज रिगार्डिंग तमिल. अब यहाँ 11 नंबर क्वेश्चन है कि हाउ फार डू यू एग्री विथ द स्टेटमेंट दैट पावर शेयरिंग इज कीपिंग विथ द स्पिरिट ऑफ डेमोक्रेसी. आंसर इज पावर शेयरिंग इज desirable in democracy because it helps reduce the possibility of conflicts between social groups. Conflict between social groups lead to violence and political instability. Power sharing is a good way to ensure the stability of power order. Imposing the will of a majority community over other in the long run may undermine the unity of the nation. Tyranny of the majority is not just oppressive for the minority, it often being run to the majority as well. आगे उसी में आंसर है बच्चों कि a democratic rule involves sharing power those affected by its exercise and who have to live with its effect. People have right to be consulted on how they are to be governed. A legitimate government is one where citizens through participation acquire a stake in the system. Prudential reason stressed that power sharing bring out better outcomes, whereas moral reasons emphasize the act of power sharing as. अब अगले क्वेश्चन की ओर मूव करते हैं हम लोग. ठीक है, अगला क्वेश्चन है एक्सप्लेन एनी 3 consequences of the majoritism या मेजोरिटियन पॉलिसीज adopted by Sri Lankan government. आंसर इज जो 3 है नंबर 1 इज द श्रीलंकन तमिल felt that none of the major political parties led by Buddhist Sinhala leaders was sensitive to their language and culture, and the government policies denied the equal political rights, which lead to increased feeling of alienation among them. Number 2, the Sri Lankan Tamil felt that the constitution denied the equal right in politics, in getting jobs, and ignored their interest. The relation between the Tamil and Sinhala communities become extremely strained as a result. Number 3, the Sri Lankan Tamils launched party and struggled for the recognition of Tamil, for regional autonomy and equality of opportunity in every field. 4 number, therefore the measures adopted by the government to establish Sinhala supremacy led to distrust between the two communities, which turned the widespread conflict into a civil war. As a result, thousands of people of both communities were killed and many families were forced to leave the country as refugees and lost their livelihood. 13 number जो क्वेश्चन है, why the ethnic composition of Belgium complex? Answer is, देखिए Belgium is a small country in Europe having a population of little over 1 crore. Number 1 is 59% of the country's total population lives in the Flemish region and speak Dutch language. Number 2, another 40% people live in Wallonia region and speak French. Remaining 1% of the Belgian जो थे speak German. Third number is, whereas in the Belgian's capital Brussels 80% of the population is French speaking and 20% Dutch speaking. तो बच्चों था ये टोटल 13 क्वेश्चन. नेक्स्ट वीडियो में नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन को कवर करेंगे. तब तक के लिए बाय बाय एंड टेक केयर.